just a bit of a, had a few people ask about doing the update for the Autometer Invision dash. I won't put a link down to the update file. Autometer hasn't released that, on their website yet, but you can email support at Autometer, and they just gave me the link to it. So you do need to access the USB port on the back of the dash. Now, it can be a bit of a pain in the bum if you've already got everything installed. Lucky for me, I've already got my dash sort of half out. Haven't quite finished my car yet. It's still sitting here in a few bits, but yeah, you've got your sort of standard dashes, which not too bad. Mine's in a HQ Holden, Australian car for those elsewhere. Sort of mid-70s classic car, so this one probably would have been the most suited to the car, but went through and I did the update. Now, once you've got the USB stick in there, you just got to go through your menu all the way down to the bottom in the system, and you scroll down to the bottom there, and at that point there it will let you do an upgrade. You select your upgrade, it goes through, does it, relaunches your system all the way back up, and you'll have access to your force display, which is quite nice. It's going to look quite good in there. A bit more balanced display. Still has all your niceties on top of that. My display does look a little bit blurry at the moment. I've still got protective film on there because I haven't quite finished the rest of the dash. Still got bits and pieces out. Still trimming away. This was a HQ Holden, a little bit slim up top there. I did have to recess in the top there a little bit. Didn't have to cut any of the metal work. I just cut it with plastic, and my surround that goes up there. I'll still fit in quite nicely. I'm just trimming the other side as well to suit. Does all fit. I just got to build up a little bit of a spacer between the dash and the panel. But yeah, when Autometer gave me the file, they gave me a few quick steps in an email of how to do the update. It's not too hard. Download the file, extract it. Mine was on a Mac, so I just had to extract the file, drop it onto USB and put it in here and go through those few steps. Cheers.